This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Nancy Bedord. Spectacular 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home on 2.85 acres. Home features kitchen with separate dining area in front of sliding glass doors leading to deck. Next to the dining area is the sunken family room featuring with fireplace. The formal dining room is also conveniently located off the kitchen. Sunken living room has vaulted ceiling and beautiful large window. Upstairs is the master bedroom suite, with beautiful ceramic shower and walk-in closet plus 3 more bedrooms and second full bath. Lower level has another family room with wood stove, bath and office which could be a 5th bedroom. You will find a back deck going the full length of the house with view of wooded area. You will want to have your morning coffee or evening meal enjoying the wildlife.